Elon Musk will provide free internet on cell phones through Starlink. That's right, for free. And the question remains, but when will this start? Which countries will he make it available in? For which types of people will you be able to access the internet for free? Will I be able to access it? Moreover, which cell phone devices, which versions, which models will be available? Also, when will this start? Well, that's what we're going to talk about until the end of this video. But first, comment below. Do you already subscribe to Starlink at your home? Do you know how it works? Do you like Elon Musk? Comment below because I want to know. Let's go straight to my computer screen. Various credible portals are reporting the news like Forbes, Estadon, R7, The Antagonist. In short, several portals reporting the news. But what happened? I hate news portals because, look, ads flashing here, ads flashing there. Anywhere you go, football ads, everything mixing here, disrupting the experience. So what did I do? So I took all this information and sent it to ChatGPT. I used artificial intelligence to organize all the news here. If you want to learn about artificial intelligence, I'll leave the link to my channel here, which provides teachings on how you can use it intelligently, okay? But then, besides organizing here, I used another artificial intelligence from Google to create a mind map with all the information. So, start of access, available resources, future resources, how the connection works, direct to cell technology, which is the internet on your phone, compatible phones, how to activate the connection, benefited regions, because there are several countries that will benefit. Satellite users. I don't know if you're watching my channel in Brazilian Portuguese or my channel in English, which appears in countries that speak English, okay? But good news, it will be available both in the United States and in Brazil. So stay here with me. Let's go. Start of access. When will Elon Musk's free internet begin? Let's click here to open it. What happened here? Hold on. I closed it. Let me go back here. Here at the little arrow. Great. Let's go. July 2025. Wonderful. Free connectivity, remote, and signalless regions. This is quite important. So if where you live is a more remote area or a region where the main operators don't provide signal, for you, it is already. There a car. Good news. It will already reach you. Available resources. What resources will be available initially? Send and receive text messages. At the beginning, it's that information there, that more emergency connectivity. You need to communicate. It can't be a text message. There's suddenly, I believe that WhatsApp, for example, which is a text message. Anyway, communicate by text. There is still not that issue of videos. Baja for now. Share the location. You know that check-in where you share where I am? For example, someone wants to locate you for some reason. Doctors, for example, that suddenly you might need, suddenly your car broke down, suddenly you need some communication, suddenly you are going to order some food, suddenly you got lost, had an accident. Anyway, you will be able to share your location, send text messages, and access emergency services. Hey, I'm being robbed, for example, police, something like that, emergency service. So suddenly I had an accident, various possibilities. Then in the future resources, we will have voice calls. You will be able to actually call, not just send emergency text messages. You will be able to call and browse the internet. Obviously, these future stages are the ones that catch our attention, right? Browsing the internet, right? Damn, the internet is free. Won't I be able to initially browse the internet? No. I will be able to use it for more emergency situations. Damn, there's no water, no electricity. Access to emergency services. Now, voice call. I want to call someone or browse the internet. I want to do a search here, for example. Anyway, now in a future feature, in a future stage, you will already be able to, it's free, right? So calm down, calm down, calm down. So how does the connection work? Remembering that I will say which devices will work and which countries it will work in. Make it work there. So hold on. Look, how does the connection work? Outside the traditional network, so outside the normal services of your country. So for example, in Brazil, Claro, Vivo. In the United States, for example, AT&T. Anyway, outside the traditional network, name, T-Mobile SpaceX on the display. So that's the name of the service, T-Mobile SpaceX. He is obviously using his rocket company there. which places satellites around the Earth. Automatic connection. So, if your region has coverage and your device is compatible, it will automatically connect, and you will just need to activate it on your cell phone. Updated cell phone. You would need to keep updated with the SpaceX Starlink app and function activated like I mentioned, right? Oh, I have internet, but if I leave it in airplane mode, if I leave it deactivated anyway, it won't work. Direct to cell technology, which we already have with Starlink operating in most countries. Now it's residential Starlink, where you can even have that mini Starlink. You can already carry it in your backpack, but you carry that big piece, right? You already carry it there, it's here. There are some larger models, others smaller. Elon Musk is hidden here and everything else. Now, on your cell phone, on your little device there, then obviously it's a benefit. You won't need to carry that giant thing there. So the cell phones connect directly to the satellites, which is great and a big challenge. It's having a little chip in your cell phone that will be able to connect with a satellite at such a great distance. It's something incredible, right? So you will have a device that will connect anywhere in the world. Look at how incredible that is, right? In the future, you'll be able to watch a video like this from Rodrigo on YouTube anywhere, even under a cave, right? Even inside the cave, right? But let's go. Cell phones connect directly to satellites without the need for towers. Very cool because the satellite is up there, right? Ideal for places without coverage. Before continuing, folks, comment below. Are you enjoying this technology? Regardless of whether you like Elon Musk or not, the guy takes risks, right? The guy brings innovation, right? What do you think? That's my opinion. I want to know your opinion. Comment below. Let's continue here. Cell phones connect directly to satellites without the need for towers. Ideal for places without coverage. Like I said, the guy is doing it, has a farm or is traveling. He's out there fishing, for example. He's out there doing that little camping program, for example. Look, how cool is that? Compatible cell phones. Let's go. This is very important. Are you in or are you out? Let's take a look here. Apple, little iPhone. Let's go. iPhone starting from the 14, right? 14, 15, 16. I don't know when you're watching this video. 17 might have already been released. Who knows? But 14, 15, 16. At this point, half of the people leave the video right now. Anyway, comment below. Do you already have an iPhone 14, 15, 16? While I take a sip of my coffee here. Let's go. Samsung? Dear Samsung, remembering that I'm here on the iPhone, I'm already in here. But I also have my Samsung. Let's see if my Samsung is here. A series A14, A15, A16, A35, 16 to 35, A53, A54. So a series Galaxy starting from the S21. Look at this Samsung trick. S21. Does the name suggest 2021? Starting from 2021. Look how cool. I mean, Samsung and Elon Musk, right? Mother and father, right? Galaxy S. Yeah. Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Flip 6. Which are the ones that fold downwards, right? They are the ones that fold in the middle, right? They're on the, that becomes smaller, right? And the Galaxy, starting from the Z Fold 3, right? Which is the one that opens like this. I have the Z Fold, I bought the 1, the 2, then I stopped, but I will return. I think with the Z Fold 6, remembering that the Z Fold from the OA line, the Galaxy line, it launches at the beginning of the year between January and February. And the Z Flip and the Z Fold launch around July and August, right? Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro. I don't even know that one. I don't know, remembering that there's no laptop here, which normally laptop. You can also insert a cell phone chip. Maybe it's possible. Motorola, look at Razr 2024 and Razr Plus 2024, starting from 2024. Moto Edge and Moto G Power 5G 2024. So Motorola here, from what I'm seeing, starting from 2024. The Google line, which is from the unfortunate ones, right? It's the Pixel, right? It comes to various parts of the world. It's there in the United States, but it doesn't come to Brazil, right? Pixel, starting from the 9, cool. And T-Mobile, let's see here, opening here. Rev VL 7 5G and Rev VL 7 5G Pro. Comment below. Is your device here? Isn't it here? Are you happy? Are you sad? Just buy a new little device, right? Samsung from 2021, man. Buy a little phone, right? Cheap one there from 2021. You'll already be in. Let's continue here. How to activate the connection. Very important. Let's go. How to activate the connection. Check compatibility, obviously, right? Starting with compatible phones. Update the software. So it's always there. Set automatic updates, settings, connection, mobile networks, cool. Obviously, you need to be there with your network. Mobile, activate it. Activate satellite access. It probably should be not only on your device, but also in the Starlink app itself. Automatic connection in areas without signal. There should be a setting in the app, or maybe they're both the iOS of the iPhone and Android default other phones. There might also be an update from Google and Apple for you to activate benefited regions. Before continuing, folks, if you want to use this connection intelligently, combined with artificial intelligence, to do what? Build income streams for yourself? Yes. Extra income streams, and then even turn it into the main one. I teach my mentees to build 10 income streams using the internet, obviously, and artificial intelligence to accelerate this process. Because it took me years. You can take months to start creating these income streams, all right? There is a mentorship called Monetization, Master of Artificial Intelligence. I will leave the link in the video description and pinned in the first comment. If you want my help in this step-by-step process, in this journey, I'm here to help you, all right? Continuing here then, benefited regions. Interior of Brazil, cool. Amazon, Northeastern Sertão, Antarctica, look at that, feeling cold but connected. Madagascar, also feeling cold but connected. And Yemen and the United States. So, is your region here? Comment below. Remember that it will start, then expand. There will be a time when it will be anywhere, with or without connection. Of course, Elon Musk, as a businessman, will go for the most difficult, where there is less competition. Users and satellites. Starlink has over 7,000 satellites in low orbit and more than 5 million active users, all over the world and growing. Now competition will come. Bezos from Amazon is also there, already wanting to compete with Elon Musk, other companies, and of course, we benefit from the competition. Leave in the comments if you are really going to use it, if your device is compatible, if your region will be benefited. And remember, if you want to internationalize your YouTube channel and earn 3 to 5 times more, this video here is for you.